There's a port on a western bay, and it serves 100 ships a day. Lonely sailors pass the time away and talk about their homes. And there's a girl in this
Welcome to
harbor
Heart
town.
Murmurs. I'm
She
here with my buddy old pal, him. And we're going to be talking about standard heart murmurs. So, heart murmurs is a sound heard through a stethoscope. The noises are whooshing and swooshing, and they're caused by a choppy blood flow in the heart. You can have heart murmurs from birth, but you can also have them develop later on in life as you get older. Some heart murmurs are harmless, aka innocent, and do not show a sign of any heart disease of any kind. But some other heart murmurs need certain tests because they could be signs of serious heart disease, which can definitely get lethal, quote unquote, killing you. Signs include blue-gray fingertips and or nails, swelling, weight gain, and a consistent cough that won't go away. Symptoms can include chest pain, swollen liver, and or swollen neck veins. My buddy here had to disappear, so we're gonna take this of how it was continuing on. Causes of heart murmurs. A heart murmur is caused by a rapid, choppy blood flow through the heart. This can include when the heart is filling heavily with blood. Holes in the heart could be formed before birth and in the lower and upper walls of the heart. And apnea, which is when your body has a lack of red blood cells that carry oxygen to your blood tissues. If you're ever wondering the treatment for heart murmurs, this is your way to go. Starting off, you'll be getting blood thinners. This will prevent blood clots in your veins and or just the pass-bys of where your blood flows. Water pills, which this will remove excess fluid from the body, fluid that's not as important. And or beta blockers, which will lower the heart rate and blood pressure. If you're wanting to know about 3 facts that I found that can be quite interesting about heart murmurs, a heart murmur is a swooshing and or swishing noise made during your heartbeat cycle when blood flows through more rapid cycles through your heart. Number 2, about 10% of adults and about 30% of children, most between the ages of 3 to 7, or 3 through 7, have a harmless murmur produced by a normal heart. And finally, heart murmurs can be heard in up to 75% of children at some point in their childhood. This is your host, Slade, and I'd like to thank you so much for joining me on the very cool world of what a heart murmur is. Thank you.
There's a port on a western bay, and it serves 100 ships a day. Lonely sailors pass the time away and talk about their homes. And there's a girl in this harbor town, and she works laying whiskey down. They say, Brandy, fetch another round. She serves them whiskey and wine. The sailors say, Brandy,